Starting crypto can feel confusing at first. There are a lot of terms and even more questions. So let's go through 5 common questions most beginners ask. So first, what is crypto? Crypto is a digital form of value that exists online. It can be used to send, receive, and store money without using traditional banks. Transactions are verified using blockchain technology. This makes them transparent and hard to alter. Crypto can be accessed through digital wallets. Its value can change based on market demand. Next, how do you get started? Most people begin by choosing a platform and creating an account. From there, learning the basics and starting small is usually the best approach. You can then fund your account using available payment methods. After that, you can start buying your first crypto assets. Always take time to understand risks before making big decisions. Is crypto safe to use? The technology itself is designed with security in mind. But how you handle your account, passwords, and private keys plays a big role. Using strong passwords helps protect your account. Enabling two-factor authentication adds extra security. Be careful of scams and fake websites online. Keep your recovery phrases safe and private. Why do prices move so much? Crypto prices change based on supply and demand. When more people buy, prices go up. When more people sell, prices go down. Market news and events can also affect price movements significantly over time. So where do you keep your crypto? Crypto is stored in digital wallets. Some are connected to the internet for easy access, while others stay offline for more security. Online wallets are called hot wallets. Offline wallets are known as cold wallets. Each type has its own advantages and risks. Choosing the right one depends on your needs. One challenge many beginners face is trying to learn everything at once. This can make things feel overwhelming very quickly. A better approach is to learn step by step. Focus on one topic at a time and build your understanding gradually. As you keep learning, things start to make more sense. What felt confusing at first becomes clearer over time. Crypto takes time to be understood. Every step you take builds your knowledge. And over time, confidence follows.